I am Brigadier Baljeet Singh Gill from the Jat Regiment.
I am Baljeet Javanda, sister of Brigadier Baljeet Singh Gill, VRC.
In middle of 1971, we were training Mukti Bahini Yodhas in one of the camps in South Mizoram called Demagiri. We were tasked by GOC 4 Corps to ambush the boat convoy of East Pakistan who normally travelled astride river Karnafuli. There was a team of about 22 soldiers with me as a team leader for this surgical strike which was on foot. We infiltrated about 30 kilometers deep into East Pakistan territory by night, lay in the wait for next 48 hours and then we sprang the ambush.
Right from very beginning, when he was in school, he has always been a leader. Like he was the school captain in Sainik School Rewa, and later on, of course, he's commanded his battalion so well and always stood out as a very, very good leader. So I'm really proud to have him as my brother.
When the war started on 3rd of December, we were just across the border in the Beronia Bulge. As the battle progressed, we first went and captured junction town of Feni. From Feni, we moved south towards Chittagong. By 16th of December, when the ceasefire was declared, we were already at the outskirts of a place called Bhatiari, short of Chittagong. And then we lay there for about 24 hours waiting for the ceasefire to take effect. Because of the bravery of the battalion, we were given the honor of leading the vanguard of the brigade into Chittagong. My battalion took surrender of about 1,360 naval personnel at the Chittagong Naval Base on 17th 18th of December. As the battalion moved from Belonia Bulge towards Chittagong, we encountered enemy positions at 2-3 places. The enemy position was occupied by 42 Blues Regiment, and they were occupying the small hillock around the TV sanatorium at Kumira Ghat. There we captured the enemy position. They counterattacked the same place, TV sanatorium, where I was injured with a gunshot wound in my left leg.
He got wounded. He wrote his letter on the 13th of December कि बापू जी मैं बिल्कुल ठीक हाँ, गोली लगी है पर मैं अपने हੱਥ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਚਿੱਠੀ ਲਿਖ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਹੁਣ ਬਸ ਮੂਵ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਐਂਬੂਲੈਂਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਗੁਹਾਟੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਫਿਕਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਨਾ you suddenly start feeling so emotional and proud of your sibling, and it goes till date that I'm so proud of my brother.
Those days we did not have the modern technology. All that we could do was the forces letters envelopes. My elder brother was also in the same frontier. He was in the Bogra area of Bangladesh. So you can imagine 2 sons in war. Parents were definitely tense. Then God Almighty blessed the family that both of us returned after the war with not much damage.
I was a kid at that time. I was in the 8th standard. He was my hero always. In the 71 war, I would look at his photograph and pray for his well-being. कि बग्गू जी we love you and come home safe. और आज भी मेरा भाई ये उतना ही बड़ा हीरो है मेरे लिए जितना उस टाइम था. I am so proud of my brother. In fact, both the brothers who have contributed so much for the welfare of the country.
After the victory ceremony of 16-17 December, it was total victory in the minds and the faces of the Bangladesh people. As far as Indian Army was concerned, it was euphoria.
Early morning, 5:30, we used to receive the Tribune, and that was the time when my father would have his bed tea, and he got the newspaper, and he just went through casually through the awardees corner. He brought that newspaper to my grandmother's room. He says, "Ma, tera pota na onu tagma milya. Hopefully, Vaheguru ji theek hove sahi." And you know what my grandmother said at that time? She said, "बिल्कुल ठीक होगा." और फतेह करके आया, उन्हें तगमा मिला, परमात्मा उनकी रक्षा करूँगा. God has been very great and kind.
जय हो